tell her to leave for
Tell
this
her to
done
leave
because they
me
were
alone.
good.
I stop
We don't
her
want a
calling my
problem
phone.
over here, so Shay, I don't know you. I don't want no problem with you. You understand, baby girl? I don't know
I'm
you,
telling you,
and I
block
know that
me. Just like how you block me for IG,
people
just block me for WhatsApp. Stop
plan
call my phone,
picture
my
of
girl.
Winter with me, I say, right? You and Shawn was good, right? Uno were cool, uno were associate, uno wasn't no friend,
Exactly.
right? Move on. Stop sending voice note. The two of uno turn it. We don't want to make it escalate no more. You understand? We need to
You
stop
know
bring
why
down
me
with one
say,
another, man.
Son, you know why me say them is not a good friend. If me just like how we talk on WhatsApp call Tanya. Me tell
Yeah,
alright, them said to me say, warm to my mouth. I'm tell them. You get me?
exactly.
Me claim say me and him are my friend. And me tell him what happened.
And you tell
What
him, but it's the truth. But you know, to them they on the
hey,
phone with
worse the
them.
worst, me mind them beat me already, you know, because me a lesbian. Them beat me already and me mind them. The beat when me get, me mother pussy what they dead. My baby, them they want to
Nobody
kill my
talk
baby
no
and
way
I pussy
enough
what
to
they
talk.
dead. Them they
Nobody
want to
talk
come to
no
my
way
baby
enough to
because my
talk.
baby pretty people like a bad man, me pretty because I'm pretty and comfortable. No matter the on her skin. And God bless pretty me care out of my home.
But listen, all of my kids them when me have my head
So
water
if
come
we
through
want
my
to
mouth.
talk about me and my people, we can talk about my
Me
people.
don't
Me
know
not
about
give
the
a fuck.
problem. I to them me
If
have to
them was
fight
a
them say
real
me I look
friend,
for my teeth them. I me see me teeth them like I have little crack and me say as Tuesday morning me I call the dentist because me not understand. Lots of women head water come through their mouth. What's the problem? We are all women. We are female. Come on, man. That's natural. You understand? If you don't have what somewhere called when name Curacet mouthwash, it is for um gum disease and it's for also when you go have baby and your head water come through your mouth. So when soon as you vomit that bitter vomit, your taste bad something there, you use it and gaggle in your mouth and wash out the acid something. You understand? Because it a go spoil up your teeth. A lot of we women go through that. That's nothing. You understand? Look how much a woman a do new this and them. Like, come on, man. Stop bring down one another, man. I'm fed up and tired. I'm adding you. I don't know why it's not adding you, but I'm adding you. I don't know. I don't know why. Go live. Okay, I'm pressing it. I'm keep on pressing it. I'm telling you, Sharpbread, that's why I'm just take away myself. Shawn, come out and come back. I don't know why I just come out and come back. Sharpbread, I be a little hypocritical. Other day, Jew come it for me nice, clean sister picture. You understand? First of all, a private page, we the SWAT team not depend it. And when you listen, you hear say, I make page and I go on with that. But yo, everything them call when you remember when they depend that page, we don't know when that page go live and what go up on it. But them a say, oh, Drew, I tell Fretdem this. Why Drew I tell Fretdem this? Fretdem not interested in a nobody business. We're not interested in a nobody business.
no, them want to turn for me, that is the problem. But pretty
That's
them
not
no,
going
so
to
know
happen.
me. I'm a
That's not
good
going to
person.
happen. That will never happen. We not just get up and cuss people after we not mad and bring down people. No matter Shawn, no matter where you hear about we. On the internet, me know the little time you get for know me and get for know my sister them. Your sister, we are different female.
Of course.
Okay, later,
Of course.
right? We don't get up and tear down people. We don't get up and gossip
Thank
about
you,
them. One or
Tom.
two times
Wow.
when we talk about the enemy, them if them collab, that's a fuck them, make them stay miserable and alive. And the same thing them a repeat themselves over and over, nothing new. Make them stay and talk with them want talk
Exactly.
word is win. So
Sister
you not
here.
touch me, I did not
All we talk about is positive life and talk about
positive thing we
the
talk
good thing
about.
and them something there. Sister
Children, the good life,
we
the
not
this,
judge
the that
people.
type of things. What we did I talk about yesterday? Where you start my talk about?
We are talking about the Baphomet and them thing there.
Yes. I stop so glad she find somebody like herself interested in the thing where she interested in that.
Exactly.
I mean interested in that was stop interested in that. But you and her have something in common. You understand? And you're not there, chat, me there, they are little too, because guess what? I'm not interested in what I talk, say, no? Because I don't know what I talk, say, no? But you don't know what I talk, say, you don't know everything. You
Yeah, that
understand?
is true.
Drew is a perv, him name man, and him love woman, Drew can't
Shop when
help
you
himself,
easy.
but Drew, far from bad man and wicked talk to, chat, but Drew is a angel, yeah? Drew not chat nobody, him just love woman, him is just a ladies, man. You understand? We not gonna ask, oh, we forgot ask a big man, Drew a big man, and we're gonna say, Drew, you link with that person there, wait. What about that
Right.
person there?
Everything close.
No! I know, because them not make problem, him have to leak information, no, because you not tell lie on him. So him have to do what you not say him do. But before, we don't know what was going on, we never have a clue. Candy and Suki kick off, me and Candy talking at the inbox, I will polish it off. I'm not gonna hide my time. I like Candy. You understand? I'm gonna say Candy, the devil at work. Don't make we go down that road there. We don't need to go down that road there because we did all good with each other. We have fun to each other. Don't make we go down the road. But really and truly, we innocent. We innocent that we get blamed for something, you know, because we know they're on the private page.
See
We
there?
don't ask to nothing about nobody. And we get blamed, so we make page, right? And I rub out candy and I do this. No. No, after them cuss through, them realize say, I don't sorry go, we not nothing to do with it. But to the done class, I must have put a liberty and say things what you're not supposed to say. It's
Remember,
fucking right, man.
remember, say people can make fake page for ID. Anybody and use the people them
God,
picture.
right? They have a page. We are not on the page, right? You and them little girlfriend them on the page. Them have them little fun time, whatever. And something was on the page, leak. We not up on the page. So basically, they said, you give we it and we leak it. No! We don't know. We don't know what going. We don't have a clue. We don't have time for the mix of the internet. This thing, as soon as one thing died down, and next that's why when Candy, I'm a nice, clean sister Suki, had the local problem. We talk. I'm saying, no, we don't want it escalate. So my sister there bust up. So when my sister bust up and say, please don't call my name with that bitch that sleep on Jesus Christ. Sister bust it up. Anyway, right? Big sister bust it up. We talk, I'm say, listen, we don't need to go down the road there. You and somebody don't not deal. We don't need to throw what for one another. No, we just leave it and wow, wait. Everything cool,
So,
all of us they hear say we are asked you question about people. No, we not do them something there. We not interested in no girl.
so you
We
say
don't want
somebody
to know
they want
about
to
another
come and
girl
want
life.
them a space.
Not the only time, me be honest. You
Make
see
some
that
people.
trouble me? Once you trouble me, and you trouble my children, then me start do me investigation about you. But me can't get up on me and I have nothing I'm there for you. Don't say, more find out that girl name, more find out where that
Exactly,
girl live.
Tanya.
No, me not care about nobody. Me care about my life. Me care about my surrounding. Me care about who in my circle, my little friend them. I'm going to bring Shawn in my little circle. Come my spirit take her.
Of
She's a
course.
good person. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. She not trouble
No, when
nobody.
you see when you see
Leave.
me not do nobody
Because
no.
they hear me. Them hear me. So them that's why I ever come out, come talk with her. Leave her alone in Jesus'
No.
name for the cross. Leave her alone.
Everything
Leave
here we
her
talk, everything we
alone.
talk on WhatsApp,
Talk
everything you
about we don't
see.
talk about no mix up. We talk about clothes, we talk about fixture, we talk about Michael Jackson, Bobby when they Bobby.
Exactly,
We talk about all of them something, then we talk about the injection, the mark and the beast. We are talking about things that are going on in the world.
And then you never say me a chat Tanya and put them like seriously. And the
You
worst thing that
understand?
we never talk say.
Nothing like that. No, you know why you end up on phone there? Because you me end up go to yesterday. Because if we never go out, and me and you and the girls them on the phone, I talk about all the theory, all the this and
Exactly. I'm a
all
text
the
you for
that and
WhatsApp
all
and
of
say
that.
be safe and come in safe and them thing there.
Exactly. You understand? We don't talk about no fucking why would you think
More
the
them put us
people
come
get
out
up
from my
every
name,
day?
please. Just
I
leave
just
me
talk about
alone.
this stuff. So,
You just
no.
leave me
What is
alone, man.
that? We have to stop it, man. We have to stop judge people, man. We judge people wrongly. Look at them robot you. I never like it. The man a big man, them a call the man batty man, them a call, like come on. Before you get up and disrespect people, find out. Do the research on the notice that we. When we come out for a dirty okra or blood clot climb the parrot girl, you have to do with
Yes, I
something.
use
You
you.
have to do with something. Who will come out, I will come out to come out with the original blood clot file. We don't come out with fake things. Cause when a liar people, we don't make a blood clot lie and bring down
Hey,
people.
Fretdem not
We
easy, you
talk
know?
the truth. You understand? We don't want the problem. You understand?
Shortbread, that is the thing,
Of
shortbread. It's
course,
when
you
you
need
have
to
a real
apologize to
friend.
you.
When you have a
Because
real
you
friend,
never
people
do
gonna do
nothing.
everything to mash it up.
To comment on that Suki picture. Where Suki and no alright. You know me know that world in a level and them people here, me I stay far from them. When them bring the nasty, me never call her name, the it, the did the do. The retarded one from them live. I'm a cup on them live and me I say, me can't tell nobody who them are. Them say them like her and them this and that and that. And me I say to them say, in at the end of the day, if Uno were in the UK, yeah, she would the things that what she had do to me and my kids them, I call police, I call social worker, I call this, I call it
No
all
one
this.
that. Yeah, give me
This
that.
child can't do me nothing. I laugh, me laugh. You understand? The thing social worker have time to teach them nice, but I will wash and cook and clean. From morning, you wash and me a cook. At 3 me, I cook curry goat,
True,
I cook
true.
French fried chicken, I cook stew pork. I'm gonna make them stand, I'm gonna make the baby them juice. Why me I do that? Me I clean bathroom, me I put on my shower curtain,
I'm a
me
baby,
I
I got sleep with my head in a too.
over.
Can't go on.
Exactly. You understand? Oh, social worker, when social worker knock my door and come in and it's a clean house, yeah. All the thing them say, all the house is small, Tanya, but my house clean, I'm gonna be able them comfortable, I'm gonna be able
Right,
them
yes,
clean,
no.
well washed and clean. All the because social worker for me, we not waste on the time. But when them other up on the life, me not gonna lie. But then in my feeling, me never feel good. Because you know why me never feel good? Them a giggle and teeth and a laugh like it's a fun. It's not fun. It's not fun. You can't do that. Disrespect me. Look at me every day. Look at me every day. The girl have to, my baby father has sex. Look at 4 month old baby. Oh, my baby father fuck all
All them
the
something, you put,
but the
why?
other find them like, oh, like that. You know what I mean? Me here, oh, me just trick on you, hop on the live and play with you. You see me like when me hate on you, very, me say, I'm to look on that.
You
Look
know
on
like when
that.
you know like when
Come,
good
mama,
people can't
come.
find it. The
Come,
devil
them all
always come
let
work.
us
The
yeah,
devil
yeah.
always come trouble
Come,
God
man.
child,
Come
you
in
know.
the side of that. Yeah.
The
Of
devil
course,
man, the
we feel that
devil.
way. We feel that way because this is not a joke thing. When children are involved, it's not a joke thing. I mean, look for them and say to them, say, if only walk in a my footstep with a blood clot jolly and do me and my kids them. But she not do me no because she not hurt me. But for those of this tail blood clot creature, this creature, we have to piss out our blood clot pity them social worker take them away. And then scatter almost to England. Walk
True,
come back
true.
social worker. But a nice clean blood clot man. We look after our kids them. You understand? Eh? And some girl are giggle and feel like say them think it's fun and it's a joke. But then they're upset with you because Two
Them
comment
weak.
on that what's the name page. Picture. Look at picture I say, look it nice, but look it nice. My sister nice. Right through my sister nice. Big up my sister look it
I
perfection. I mean make you
bad
like
man.
that. Me did feel a way. Oh, me leave it because guess what? Me and them are friend. Watch I hear her music. Boy, me I tell her to that baby, I'm can't bother. Music. I see it. Why you say it? Yeah. I feel that type of way because guess what? Remember, babies are involved. You know the girl sit up on her life. And when I go and me I tell him, see this baby. When I know I want to see everything, don't go I couldn't see what the girl I do. The girl I this Kalia little baby. What a blood clot girl know about bumbo clot, pitney, I look about pitney. Eh? Yesterday while me here on the blood clot internet. Go on
Name you?
my brother.
Yeah, people, shut up, fire.
You
Everybody
be
drop,
Fretdem.
drop.
Away, brother.
I will
You
stop there.
understand?
IG is not a safe place. Time I come right now. My
Stand
sister I
man.
come right
You
now.
know
Where
the
she
get
there?
problem, man. Be a hypocrite blood clot the pan,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
me not
I
like
don't know.
diary. You're
Let me tell you
outside of
something.
call the man
Just to
batty
let them
man.
know the truth, them. It's when they know them, and them are the wicked, you know. Cause all right now, Drew, everybody knows that Drew love Fretdem, right? Drew and Fretdem and Dana Auntie calling party.
Yo, Wagwan people.
The man,
Stop.
say,
Wagwan Shawn.
There,
the
you know.
man, you know what? Invite the man at your party because the man I deal with Fretdem. Come on, man. And then when you
Look
make
up
with the
people
problem
stay.
with certain things, when you
Hi,
think we don't know,
Kentai.
we know, but we
Candy, come
don't
sit up
want a
in a close.
problem.
Yeah, Candy, your friend are wicked.
Right?
Candy, your friend are wicked.
Big
And
up
these are
yourself,
the things
Candy.
that I,
The twin.
Fret
The
them, don't
twinny.
like. Okay? You know, always trying to paint out SWAT's team to be this
Now,
bad person of
like
all
Candy,
time.
she have
And
understanding,
I
she have
can't.
understanding,
I
and
can't.
her
I
spirit,
can't.
she's calm. You understand? Because when me and her other day talking in the inbox, who could have frappe who could have end up war? But when me said to her, what she said to me, the two of we have understanding and it have a meaning. I will see what the devil I do. Sometimes when if pray over blood clot certain things.
It.
And
Right.
everything when if come on social media already like when I
True,
target.
Exactly. I didn't
Yeah,
like
it is
that.
true. Me not gonna lie.
I
Me
didn't like
not gonna
that,
lie. Me
no.
not gonna lie, Diary. That was
I felt
so
it
wrong.
for
Diary, that
Drew.
was like so wrong. I didn't expect that
I
from
didn't
you.
I
And
didn't
you know,
expect that from Diary.
I
No,
will
I didn't either.
say, I we Drew take off on the private page. We never dep on the page. Really and truly when name should have called from that. I will
Right.
never
really
dep
and
on it.
truly, but guess what? Really and truly, you know what hurt me?
But
When Diary look
she
and say she hate Drew. She never liked Drew and Drew
she
a batty man. You
no,
see
but
how you
not
can
even
make
that
people
for them. She
expose in your
blocked him.
business. Yo,
She
I'm telling
blocked
you,
him.
man.
That I
I
was
see with my
shocked.
two fucking eyes, and I know black and white don't lie, yo. Black and white don't
But
lie.
Fretdem,
I
you
could
have
come
to
out here
you
and call y'all
remember.
niggas by your real fucking government name. I could come up here and call niggas by their government name, and they're gonna be like, "How Fred
Right.
know my government name?" But it's so fucking wrong. It's so wrong. Not because you want your dirty friend to yam out the man, and the man is not cuckoo. Him here look cuckoo, but him no cuckoo. Yes, him
And then
fully book smart, and him like
but she never
2%
do it.
Oh,
street
tell her
smart,
to
but I
come out
think he
and
have
come back
sense.
in, restart the
You have to
phone.
come out and come back in, Candy. We don't
No,
know
but
what
not
you
even
know.
that. She ended up blocked. I didn't even know what was going on. And she's saying that I knew what was going on. What the fuck do I
We
know? I
don't
don't know
know.
I like
shit.
them. I report the whole of
I
the
don't
page
know
when I just
nothing.
see.
We
I
don't
didn't
know.
know
We wasn't
fucking
on
shit. I
the
wasn't even on the page. So how do I know
Don't
what's
bring the
going
shit
on?
the problem did that one.
She turned
Wait,
around and
mama.
said, everybody with glasses or whatever can see what's going on. No, I don't know what's going on. I don't. And I did not know what was going
I'm
on.
not
What the
gonna
fuck you
lie.
talking about?
I don't. You see, from the time
Like that.
when they
You
put
don't
us
say I
on the
know
page,
something when I don't know. I don't know. I'm
I don't
asking
know.
nicely and I don't know. You're telling me I know something and I don't know shit. I honestly didn't know nothing.
all right,
The
guys.
fuck?
Char is asking what's going on. Can somebody summarize it down to Char what's going on?
Oh,
No, I mean with the
Tell
Drew
Chara
situation,
ask
I
what's
didn't
going
know.
on.
Drew deleted his page. This is outrageous.
Yo, the devil no want people, the devil no want Godchild
Listen,
live, you know.
No, Char, what happened was, right? I think it was either Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not sure which day, but I know it was one day this week. Diary came live and she was dissing Drew, calling him Batty Man and how she never
saying
liked
she never
him
liked
and
him
just
from
one
For the
bad
from
guy where you
mine.
spoke the money and thing.
yes, the one
yeah.
that always have the
Yes,
money and thing. But
Oh,
I felt like that was so wrong. Like all
that
of them
was
used
hid
to be
under the belt.
friends and they have their
Right.
private group. And sometimes now I'm hearing that my name is calling in the private group, and saying, "Oh, I'm not gonna invite you to my party because you're too close with Fretdem." Like what the fuck that have to do with anything? I just feel like that's bullshit. Like why use my name? I haven't done you host any
Right.
fucking thing and like why call my fucking name? You understand? Like
That's
this
bullshit.
is sad, man.
That's
This is
right.
fucking
No,
That's
but
sad.
right.
we all talk, right? So at the end of the day, if we're on Instagram, we go
Yes,
on
real
each other's
Jenna do feel
page
some
and
way I
shit
didn't
like
delete
that.
him
Like I don't
page.
understand how our name is always being fucking called. I don't
What's
get
up,
it.
Wayne King?
I don't get the
I
shit.
don't
You see
understand.
what I'm saying? I don't understand. Like
Me say
I'm
yes, Char.
lost.
I was at work when it happened and
Hey
I got a
Wayne, what's
phone
up?
call and then somebody was making me listen to it. But I'm gonna be honest, like from the time I see Candy then put Uku on the page to cuss Tanya, I
I
realized
didn't
like,
like
yo,
that.
I can't fuck
Mm-mm.
with these people no more because one thing I know, I would never allow nobody to cuss on the page or to come on the page and
That
cuss
that
each other. Like, look, I know Suki for all these years. And look, Candy sidestep Suki. And you know what I'm saying? I'd rather go in her inbox and say something to her instead of coming
right.
on live and be like,
But
oh, dirty blood clot Candy. You can't diss Suki, you know what I mean? And I felt
right.
like if they had a problem with Jew, she
Drew,
should
why
have
didn't they
said
do the same
something to
thing?
Jew. You understand what I'm
No,
saying,
but she
Char?
blocked
She
him. That's
came
what I
on
felt bad
live
for Drew
and
about.
block
Because
him.
they
And
blocked
then you
him.
calling him Batty Man and say you never liked
Right.
him. But you like the money
You
though.
never
And
liked
to
him
show
from day
you,
one. Like
if
that's not
people start
cool.
showing receipts now, everybody's gonna be mad and say nobody have no loyal. But how could he have loyalty? And guess what? I could be a bitch right now and just start posting every fucking thing. And you can't say you didn't get no fucking money. That's a fucking lie. That's like a lie. And I hate when people tell lie. Like, bro, black and
Right.
white don't fucking
true,
lie. Even when
I
you
true.
delete your Cash App, your PayPal, he's still gonna have his fucking receipt, bro. It's always paper
right.
trail. This nigga have enough money that could hire a fucking private investigator and it's gonna come back to you. Like, stop the bullshit. And I hate when people do that, man. Stop liking people for their fucking money. If you don't like somebody naturally, don't take shit from them. Don't do it.
Right.
Simple,
Simple.
simple.
And exported has been nothing but nice to the
And some of
people.
them
Yeah.
can't see him. So when them
That's
get
true,
the money for you,
shortbread.
them
Yeah.
And
cut
you
up
mad,
and
and then you're
surprise. Some
gonna
of
say
them
you're mad
can't
at
see
the
him.
man for what? Because of the fucking oxtail? I guess it's because of the oxtail, man. When it's all things are done, it gotta be the oxtail, it gotta be the TV, or it gotta be all this other shit. I feel so bad. Like when I sit there and they send it to me, and I send it to him, I was like, yo, what the fuck is going on? He was like, I don't know what Fred. I don't know what's going on. I haven't done anything. It's like I'm being accused of doing stuff. And I was like, well, from the jobs that they're throwing, they're trying to say like you came and said something to me. You understand? And just like
Right.
you, big face, pancake face, 14-inch face, blood clot,
Bumbo clad.
too much
Jesus
baking soda
Christ.
face, Brassy. Brassy, you are one of them two motherfucker that you love to fucking call my name to say, oh, I sent Tanya and Storm for information. Bitch, we don't need no information.
What?
We are SWAT team. You could come on the internet today and I could tell you who the fuck is your mom tomorrow. Stop playing with me.
Right.
And then all you
Don't have
frog
to
face
send
blood
nobody,
clot gang.
please.
Hold on. Don't hold on there. Let me everybody need to hear it. You see all you blood clot frog face Dan what Capo say. Venice Parks from Florida. Laverne Buckley blood clot data. Where I send me threat where I send me. Last night I come at the party to kick off your face and the party did flop and the party lock. I want to say when you not take cash you come in there. Me with a show you where blood clot Fretdem made of. Venice Parks, aka ugly blood clot Dan, we call ourselves pretty Dan. Dan, you say you go shoot me, you say you always have your gun. Me know you always have your gun in a blood clot baggy, but make me tell you Dan, you see from the vice quarter where you send me this morning, say you go shoot me, I go show you your mouth, I go get you in a problem. Remember, make sure you have some more bail money, because I know some love police, some me I love police too. I remember you know live in New York, so me can't catch us at the police, me I go use for your dirty blood clot. You say you go shoot me, you have to show me. Me said daytime and blood clot location. Are you still there in New York? Me sorry say you live on the track because my whole people ever got a lava party tonight. Cause you never go hear boom, 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 blah, blah, blah. Me I say you me not give a fuck. Oh my God, you blood clot come out back. Suck your mother and go. Big pussy, ugly face, down your frog face. You're big and full up a blood clot infection, like your shape just like the brown barrel them down a walk when nobody not clear. You come talk about say you will shoot me when? You gonna shoot me? Fretdem when? You have to shoot me. You have to blood clot shoot me. Yeah, Venice Parks, you have to blood clot shoot me. And you know what the girl do too? The girl go delete the message after she don't realize what she say. You threaten me. You threaten Fretdem. You threaten Fretdem. You want a lie you tell. Laverne Buckley, you better make sure you have a blood clot bill money. A lie you are tell. Remember to tell her that you have to warn me. Every time when you come to New York, just know say you and Fretdem have to warn and so till either you are going to bust off my face or me I go bust off your face. But some face have to bust off. Yeah, prisoner me for that. You come, yo, me not lie, girl. You come talk about say you gonna shoot me. You have to blood clot shoot me. Come me never bother you. You come call up my blood clot name first. Me never see you drunk. Remember that? No phone not running a call me name. I'm a door soon. God see I know some of those soon.
Exactly.
You Canada call me name. You big fat girl. Come talk about who pump me.
Ugly.
Never show you who blood clot pump you. Yo, pretty damn you come talk about me blood clot maga. My mother, but me not bend up like a blood clot SSP like your girl. But don't bend up like your blood clot girl. I'm here to let the maga girl you can ride in your chest. Me not ask you. Word to fucking grip, cause I swear to God, cause you gonna get it, bitch. You're not gonna fucking threaten me and walk away. Or you fucking mad.
Or the blood clot here from Canada. Don't call me blood clot here. You ugly fucking dog. I come here people bomber clot inbox.
You're wicked, I should have never did you. You're wicked, I should have never did you.
No, all she needs to do is just a public apology and make it right. Like, you know?
Oh, she come talk about my body. Look at my body.
Public
never show me like that. We never show them my body. Hey, people pay for my body, America, you know.
I'm telling you. Watch Amari. Amari want maga like Fretdem. The ape want maga like Fretdem.
Mama.
The whole of them want slim and trim and not figure out
me not lie. Me not lie.
We
People
not
have to pay for my body.
Go on no gym.
Pay for my blood clot
slim
body.
and trim, we say.
Round
You
here.
look and them bad man.
Of course, them bad mind. And the ear bad mind me. Me not ask her if she bad mind. She knows me look good, no blood clot. Me shape nice and everything. Face pretty, no blood clot.
Argument with nobody. I just fight. Me want fight. Me just want fight. Either una have to go
bust up on
the face, but some face
I think I'm champion and thing, man.
Right? Don't care.
Everybody wants to be like they want to be like Fretdem.
No, it moved from Perth to Batman because guess what? What me get to understand is these people when them see you with money, and I always tell a lot of people say, you know what? Why a lot of black people, black uneducated young ladies don't rich because when them see a man with money, all them think about is to take. And they take
right.
But they take it in the wrong way. And that's the reason why the man will not give you, because when the man look, him say, yo, you don't
see you're money hungry.
Me. You just want my fucking money. You understand? That's why me married and a man still in a line, you know. And then I say, because them know say, yo, Fred doesn't want me because of my money. If me not like you, me not like you. When you give me $1 million, I go tell the pussy, fuck you. Who don't like the man for his money. Stop trying to hook up with your friend. The man is not a fucking idiot. And then you say,
the man is not a fucking bank.
Because of me. Me and him too close.
You're not gonna, but hold on. She had the opportunity to meet Drew, and she turned it down. And you're supposed to be his friend. I don't get that.
No, that's why Drew what me say. If Judy ever tell me say my God Atlanta and I give you some blood clot beating to you, see I would have to do what you have. You know, see them I go set you up. Them I go set you up, and next thing you know, because them know say you don't have
get robbed or something.
You don't have no wife. Yeah, your brother I go call your brother in one other country. Your mother there in New York in a Queens. And because them know say alright, you don't have that much people. I saw them in I go set up your blood clot and kill you. Next thing you know, we only see up on news and say, oh, Mr. Such and says, and then me I go say, but kiss me ass, no friend. No, my friend this, and me I go say, but me don't know him mother live at Queens. And then me have to go hunt down him brother, because me know which party brother they in the world.
Right? That's not cool, man.
The man is a nice man. When you now beg
no, but
money and then everybody love
to block the person. They should have just went. I like Diary. I like him. She should have went in his inbox. She should have went in his inbox. That wasn't right, you know?
No, I mean not.
And then made it seem like if I knew something. Made it seem like if I know what was going on. We don't know shit that's going on. None of us knew anything. None of us knew anything, Fretdem. None of us. Like, what the fuck? What do I know? The hell you telling me I know? Like, fuck out of here, yo. Me I know nothing. I don't know shit.
No, it's sad.
If I knew shit, I would have came out and said, yeah, I know so and so and so. I don't know nothing, bro. Don't tell me what I know.
I will find out, sir.
But then you block the person. But that's not the way to do it, though. You're supposed to, if that's your friend, right? You're supposed to go in their inbox, talk to them, or call them. You have their number. Call them and say, Ray, look, this and this and that, and I want to know if it's you. Simple, right? But you block the person on the live, and then you rub them out. That's not a good look. It don't look good. It does not, and I had to reanalyze it after it went live. Like, what the fuck did I just watch? Like, what happened? You know what I mean?
Yep, it was bad.
Yeah, it wasn't nice. And then you say you don't like him from day one?
We'll find out that it's because of us. They're saying we making the fake page and doing this stuff. Them like, that's not cool, man.
You don't like him from day one, from morning? What?
That's the thing, them know how they want to page alone in the youth, but them just want to call on the name because them know who they behind the page.
The page was on their private page and they see it.
But that's not us. That's how could it be us? And Drew, we don't ask Drew or talk to Drew. Fretdem don't even. Why would Fretdem want to know about Uno? That's what I want to ask them. Like,
we go chat about other things. It's so funny. I never asked you about them. Like, you never tell me about them. I said to when me go start investigate and you still don't want to tell me nothing. Me if you go in and batty wall, squint out in two batty cheeks and I push me at the night and I draw.
Right?
Tom, you know the problem is, Tom? Example, me and you are in an argument and them you and Fretdem in an argument. And me can make a fair page and put Fretdem picture on it and come underneath your live and start a rub you out like a Fretdem and rub you out. That's how it goes.
Nope.
But we would know. We would know if that's a real page, if that's a real page or not. You see what I'm saying? So
no, I know I know. Them me are talking, and them say who the fake page and them thing there.
Exactly.
Them want people
they want the problem.
It's just like
they're not gonna get the problem with us because
I the first time me ever talked to Shawn was yesterday. So Shawn I got call me name. Lord Jesus.
All right.
Exactly.
Cool,
the first time me hear Shawn voice was yesterday to see it to fucking
right.
So we was talking about so many different fucking shit. You understand?
Right. Exactly.
Me and Shawn were talking about
Cause yesterday,
documentaries that we
Tanya ball long
watched. Da
ears.
da da da
Tanya ball
da.
long one ears. Shot brother ball long one ears. And me I say, oh my God, I gotta listen to these two crying. So therefore, I don't even know how I end up on the call with Shawn because Tanya was crying, this, that, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? I got a text that Kiki did, and I was like, oh my God, that's so fucking light.
Boy,
You know,
me
I was
cry,
Right.
telling
man.
her,
I
I'm like, Tanya, what
swear.
you crying for? It just sounds so
There
fucking
was
fake.
lies. Like
Like,
all this
yo.
Instagram shit, they
Now
have
them a
to
go talk them
realize.
thing because them want to come cuss me for no reason. And that them
But
don't want me
Me
to
not
have
listen,
any
cuss
all of
nobody.
this Instagram thing is they act like it's their life. You see what I'm saying? Instagram isn't our life. This is not like they act like this is like we're on it every day, every hour, every minute. Like, no. Like we have a life. We have things to do.
exactly,
You see what
exactly,
I'm
sir.
saying? Yeah. The fuck? Jesus. It's not our life, bro. We don't
And
give
then
a
them a go
fuck
say me a
about
chat
half of
Tanya
these
and
people that
Fretdem.
are out
Like
there.
seriously, one for chat them say.
That's what I'm saying. And you just started talking to Fretdem yesterday. The fuck?
I don't believe that
No,
they
because
have
them
to
want
come
to
with
turn
this.
in mind for me and start cuss make them laugh off of me and say yes, then turn my own friend against me. That them a try do.
Oh my god. And it's always our name get called. I don't get it. Fretdem and Tanya. Fretdem and
I'm gonna
Swati. Like
deactivate
fuck,
my
man.
page.
No, don't act like Drew right now. Where you go?
Yes. Yes, Shopbird. I gotta tell every people Shopbird wasn't quite
To tell
crying. She
everyone
was
you was
bawling.
crying.
Oh, Fretdem.
How
Oh, I
shot,
can't
bread.
believe that. Oh my Kiki, I can't believe. Oh my God, this is not right.
Uh,
Boy,
No,
I
oh my
feel,
shot
God,
man.
bread
this is not
was
right. This is not
shot
right,
bread.
man.
That's what I said,
Crying his
shortbread.
eyes out
I
for
can't
God's
cry up
sake.
and cry
Tanya
think
come
of
on the
it.
phone and
That's
cry. Yeah, me
I
Tanya, where
know,
you
right?
ball for? I said, they killed Fred, they killed Kiki, Fred. Them. I'm like, Tanya, that's not true.
Right?
Yeah, man, I cry, man.
Not
As much
lie.
as I like Kiki, I'm not gonna lie.
I do. I like Kiki too. I like his spirit.
Now I love Kiki,
Not
I
gonna
love
lie.
her.
Yeah, I like his vibe. Out of all of them, me like Kiki the most out of the whole of them.
Kiki are the best.
Yeah.
Even though
It
Kiki
make you
more
laugh.
nice,
Yeah, it
but me
make you
not
laugh.
lie.
Yeah, it's funny. When he talk, him and from cause he from Mobile, him
Yeah,
chat
feel laugh, you feel
fast.
laugh,
Him chat fast. And he funny with him
yeah,
We
feel
don't
them
thing.
know,
fuck
we
with
don't
the
hear
little
for
Kelly when him a say.
Yeah, you have to listen to understand what he's saying.
but we don't know, me not hear, man, not do no live, so.
I don't
Him
know.
alright, man, him alright.
Alright?
Him good, man.
He's good.
Him just like the internet a break.
Same thing like
Yeah.
we.
Yeah.
Sister, no, mama cry, man. Oh, God. Me think me they gonna lose my mind. Me say, what? Cause guess what? In the Kiki, they coming at me inbox in the night, you know. I said, Tanya, me don't know who them hate you for. But when me sit down and me watch how you pick them nice, how you nice, me know. Me say, yeah. And me say the whole of them we are cuss me don't know them. Never meet them in a day in my life. I
Right.
don't think that me and them go school together and me and them sell on a coronation market. And me and them do threesome and share the same man. Boy, me I
It's
tell
so
you,
cute.
all of them
Alright,
put
love, love Kiki,
them
man.
girl up
It's
on
so
the
cute.
internet, them
All
sick
little
no blood
dirty one
clot.
when near Uko pit. That
Okay,
blood
cry for me,
character, the
please.
goo goo gaga. Fucking idiot.
Shawbread, let's talk message your fast, Shawbread. Shawbread, me a call me doctor implant.
So
It's so
Because me have a nervous
cute.
breakdown.
Oh.
sorry that.
Yes.
Suki, where you say I candy
Suki,
kill Kiki?
Suki, I candy kill Kiki to Bumba glad
Yeah.
it's Suki. Suki, don't pop me up, yeah,
Oh,
man.
sir.
No, we candy there.
No, sir.
we candy there. Candy there, honey.
He was mad, man. He
I think
was
she was having a
mad.
problem with her phone,
Yeah,
probably.
sometimes it's best to leave the fucking IG. But listen, I want you to depend IG because I'm calling it. IG is like the devil's playground. I'm telling you, it's never a fucking dull
They
moment
say
there.
candy, I'm between, you know. They say candy, I'm
Hey, Tanya,
between.
sister, not easy, you know?
They say Suki no
Every
easy.
time. Fretdem and Suki. Take Suki easy. Suki
Right?
quiet, boy. You get her out.
Suki, Shortbread says she can't see your comment.
Shortbread can't see a comment. Shortbread, me not like Suki Black every single body.
Suki said, I candy kill Kiki. No, sir, candy broke and hungry or
No, but
benefit.
that was fucked
Money
up how
done.
they came
Lord
up and said
Jesus
somebody's
Christ.
neck got slashed.
Suki, me
Hey,
I repeat
people,
that one day.
remember
Just
when we were growing up in Jamaica and we hear the big boy story? Oh, my ball out for wolf, and the day when the wolf come,
right.
nobody help him. Because him so loyal and wicked.
Yes.
Every day is wolf, and the day when the wolf really come, and that go happen.
Mm-hmm.
Stop telling lies, say people dead. I feel like that was so wrong to say somebody
That is
dead.
wrong. It is.
Me
Like,
not
oh,
And they
look
can't
them.
even get their
That is
story
my word, tell
straight.
them more the rich dead one.
I think me say go to inch and me step on. Me nah look on them. They can't call me
Right?
name. No ugly girl with favor see the slug. No Down syndrome look the blood clot dog wall. When some dog with that dog. None of
Tanya.
them can't no more.
Yes, the mouth.
Me know what for earth.
Oh
Just dress up
God.
and go to dance. That
Yes.
alone for them.
That mad them because
That's
them
Remember,
why you
true,
stay
that's
home
true.
and cry and bawl and
Look here,
eh.
look here. I want to say my van. Look here, a liar, blood clot. Tell you, wish you
Them
have the
can
body.
never afford it.
You
Please.
wish you have the look here. You wish you the blood clot look like me. You dream.
Not true.
You know, the
oh,
Spread your bed with
I can't
everybody.
even dream.
It
Them
is
can't
Shortbread.
buy
so
comment,
Suki
you
said
know,
she
well.
yeah.
blocked you because you was friend with Candy. You were
Unblock, unblock,
not
short
Unblock
bread.
friends with
shortbread.
enemy, sweetheart. That's
Short
what she says.
bread.
Suki.
I don't know who under the page, but me love shortbread, I swear.
Yeah.
Shortbread is shortbread
Shortbread
And
is
speak
that's how
nice.
when the
truth.
thing where them liars
Yeah.
say,
She
Drew will
split
show people
justice.
identity. Drew never. Man, listen, I don't care what nobody fucking look like. To be honest
Shortbread,
with you.
you get
Right?
identity lie. Oh God, them tell some lie on the poor man, boy.
Yeah,
That's
because
what I'm
what you
saying.
see is me and Drew not
I feel
discuss
so
about. I don't
bad
have
for
time for
Drew.
that.
Like
Drew
to get
never give
Strawberry
us
people's
say I'm
nice.
not gonna expose
identity.
nobody,
Like
show nobody. I never.
if
Talking
Drew
about
is
them
loyal
like
to
that.
them, right? Why
And
would Drew want to
especially,
go and go talk and say
yeah,
this and that
One
to
thing I
shortbread
other
read
cook
is
people?
strawberry tell the
and
He's
truth,
not
don't
gonna
care
do
who I'm
that.
vexed or not. Can't
like you,
talk
we
the
not
truth. That's a real time.
bring
Yeah,
you down.
shortbread is cool. I like shortbread. Yeah,
She
I
talk
like
anything come
her.
out and she no care because she talk the truth.
Right, she
That's
split
what she
justice.
say.
Right, whatever
Yeah.
is the truth and come to her mouth, she say it. Yeah,
True. That's a real
whether you're
strawberry
wrong or
one.
you're right.
Oh,
True.
sharp.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yep. My mother always tell me when me say if you follow people,
It's true. It's
whether
like it's sad.
It's sad,
the
bro. That
truth.
like I didn't even know what the fuck was going on when they talking. They bringing down Drew. Like for what?
Good, them a go chat you. If you do
Yep.
bad, them a go
Them a
chat
gonna
you.
chat you.
I did
Right.
see him.
You know what you
And
do?
we don't
Just
care about people like that, eh? We don't care about these internet people like
I
that
have
Let's
to
see your
talk
the
face,
about
people.
them.
strawberry.
Honestly.
I have real people. I meet some
Exactly.
lovely people on social media. My mother
Right.
have 8 away. 3 sisters. You see me and my big sister go. You saw my big sister pretty. You saw
Yeah.
my big sister pretty. She's gonna be 51 years old in a
Oh
couple of
Shortbread,
God.
months.
Suki
I
said,
should not
Shortbread, show
say
me who you
about
are and I
class.
will unblock you. I really like
Family.
you still.
Your
One
family
love,
will love you. Don't
sweetheart.
start from una locust, una weird, so
Me not
nobody
for
not like
yeah. Me don't
you.
know them
Yo,
thing
what's
there.
Yeah.
so
Me not lie. It's like
strawberry?
so one war
You're real
finish.
for true,
They
man. You're real
always
for
want
true. You're
another
real.
one. Me not lie though. They like live for this
We're not gonna be no
bullshit,
hypocrite. You're
yo.
real for true.
Yeah, that's what I'm
If me
saying,
wrong, you
Fred.
tell me,
Them
tell me
they
wrong. If
live
me
for the
right, you tell
shit.
me,
Like
right. I
fuck.
respect that.
Just
This internet beef, but then you're gonna accuse people who don't trouble you and do you nothing.
Exactly.
Exactly.
I remember we talk about
Exactly.
that. That is not us. That is the big silverback gorilla. That is her. She
Yes.
go around and tell lots of people, and she and the Canada
Uh-huh.
ape. You
Yes.
yeah, me
understand?
not lie. Me say me lose her for that. Me say
And you
Charles. Me
oh
say
yeah,
me lose her for diary. Big time. I would have
time.
never expect. she would have said
I
that
would
again.
never
I said she not
expect
want
that
nobody
either.
loyalty.
Can't
You
bring
don't
down
want
my
nobody no
daughter.
loyalty. Go stop fucking beg people if you say you don't like them, man. That's fucking not nice at all.
No, but she said she never liked him from morning, so that's just to
Yeah,
show
that and
you she never really liked
that make the
him.
man feel some way. You never like him from morning, and then you know they a lot of that was so fucking wrong. That was so
Yeah.
fucking wrong.
If it's your friend, go in his inbox and talk to him if you have an issue.
But
That's
it's not
all.
even that though. Remember, she have shortbread and she have
Big
candy too.
sharp friend.
She could have went to
I will
Candy and
never
said,
do a
Candy,
Batman to
tell
go put
Jude this
some
or tell
pussy.
Jude that. She could have went to
But
Right.
Candy channel.
all them not talk, so them get you them hungry belly friend. We work at the hotel, we're hungry.
Lord
And the girl I
Jesus.
run down to for money. Some of them talk
Mama.
about the
But
man want
Yeah,
hungry
Dari,
belly
I'm wicked.
chapter.
And that's
The
why
man
when
want
you
to
see, and that's why enough out today in America, I'm gonna get some fucked up nigga because all you think about is to rob the man like saying that have no sense. And that was so wrong.
how is
You
mom
said left
doing,
all the way and I
sister,
want
with
other
the
slave. You are no
items?
fucking idiot. You
Tanya,
gonna do that girl and
Tanya,
I
I
want
think
other slave.
Suki's saying something to you.
Oh,
Yeah.
she alright. So, may I talk to you after here, sister. Tomorrow, me and you talk, sister Suki.
Lord Jesus Christ, watch out. Yo, Suki, the easy a blood clot, you know. Bida look.
No,
Bida
sir.
look.
I do
Oh
about
my
it,
God,
children.
Candy. Suki say your wig
Work
and the ear wig look alike.
Can you see
Jesus,
it?
peace.
For them,
Just like Keiko, I
the bar,
swear to God. No,
information
sir.
job. The girl work her work it, and the girl said she not get no pay, and the girl did a look Drew, and the girl a beg Drew money, and the girl a know Drew from here.
Yeah, cause
And
them
she's
things say the
asking
man
him
a
for money?
idiot. I saw them girls still them have man a fuck them out,
Yes,
and the man we a fuck them out. Them no want ask them for
and then the
money.
man a say, she still a ask the man, and the man a say, but you get paid, why you still want the money? The man still have to send her the money.
Oh, wow.
Hungry, black no
What
roll out
the
to get
Man
black.
fuck?
from nowhere. The man don't know her from nowhere. Them just take up everybody and dash on the man. I said this one money and that one money. And it upset them because the man only choose Fretdem. Him all choose Fretdem. How it go? And I can't stop
Yeah,
it.
but they see Fretdem done and him
All
out
the
all the
Fretdem,
time
all
and
the
out
Fretdem are
doing
pop up
stuff.
here. Just like Fretdem, him just love
He
Fretdem.
likes. What's wrong with having a friend? But what's wrong
Me
with
not
having a friend
speak
that you go out with, or you and your friends and your girls go out with? Drew's a nice man.
have
He's a
Fretdem.
nice man.
So him willing to have Fretdem as a friend.
Of course. He
Exactly.
doesn't overstep his boundary. Right.
Exactly. Now me know why we not
Right.
always attack about Fred them married. You know some married and one thing me like about Joe, him always respect me some
He,
married. He never try to get out of bone.
yes, he doesn't
Never. And
overstep
that's the
that
reason why I'm
boundary.
always
Right.
keeping friendship because him don't try to get feisty with me.
Right. Yeah.
Yes, Drew Art chose me. Finale, finale, finale.
Shoot share. Mr.
Oh
Yesterday, the
my
girl now
gosh.
do prescribe her, pick them so
Terrible code.
uniform and go
Terrible
No.
look at on the
Shawn,
internet.
a new name. Tanya, you have to go start calling her Okopit. Okopit.
I
Okopit.
I got me there. And your mama for blood clot, then your stepfather,
She's evil,
where you like,
bro.
you call police and say your stepfather rape you. Hey, girl, you want wicked girl, you know. I see why your mama
Mm-mm.
is dog. You
You
come
must love
talk
when
about
man
me.
pick on
Oko
her.
blood clot pit. Okopit.
Your stepfather grew you. Yeah, you
You're
talk about your
retarded. I got the
stepfather.
back and
Come
me I come a mother name and that me a cash there.
tell people them you call police for your stepfather for put them on a blood clot prison. You understand? Yeah, one wicked girl, but oh, me a police perky. Me what? Me a the system pitney. You know blood clot, Barney, you know, chat ya.
No, but none of that.
Ah,
She don't know me like when she make them talk there. And that's how the people them have to say, yeah, them thing you have to say nothing no dear.
Ask the silverback gorilla where our son did have when them put him in a straight jacket and mouth gag and make him shit and piss up himself pan the plane back to Jamaica. You're not blood clot born, yeah. And remember say pretty for telling you, yeah, blood clot people like you know. When it's long when I come talk about me wish we could have so long and get benefit money. My man work, me can't get nothing. The look where me I get. But what when I say me I get a uno I get it. You understand? Go look something blood clot do and stop be a to the blood clot internet and people them hate you about you fully blood clot bad you look a blood clot wingworm you look a worm you look a habit this ground goblin but fully body blood clot. I want boy I got kick down your blood clot. You just wait, man. You just wait. Let me tell you something, man. Can I get me next 25 years? Most blood clot buck you. And you gonna see if you're fully bad. You gonna see you're fully bad.
She's fully mad.
The truck call the police and me the police area and I say soon make she sign the paper. I should start back her problem again with me. I don't know her no. I don't know her from nowhere. I mean, you shall come talk about me say her son have AIDS. Me tell her, girl, me and you, when the silverback girl had done you, yeah, and I say, in a Acne, every walk you walk in a Acne Park, I want drives there for Uku. Right? I should bad. Talk to her, and the girl tell me, so she catch comedian in her mouth. Me say, where you say? When she tell me I have to Google it, cause true me no know about them sexual transmitters, cause me never blood clot catch them something there. You understand? The least me we have our little and that is not sexual transmitted disease. Trash can be you change the soap. You understand? Certain type of knickers where me never catch your sexual transmitted disease. You understand? Right? So when the girl says she catch you to the weight name in her mouth, the chlamydia in her mouth. That's time me I say, no man. I mean I say, my girl. So you can't go around and do all of them unprotected type of sex there with man where you don't know. You understand? I went to call the man where piss pan her for the 400. Oh, you for pay one man for piss pan you. Yeah? Where your baby father. This is wicked, right? The girl get pip. And she get AC. Because she have a disabled card, you know. And therefore the call her and say, I was back to school and he want to buy the baby wash school shoes. The girl say, we are talk to me. Are you responsible for the baby? Here you come blood clot talk like you're not blood clot. Jump to alligator, mama, because when alligator piss spit out them egg. A snake, then watch it and guard it until them baby born. Hatch. Eh? You get I know? And you're human blood clot being here, so you piss out the blood clot pity them. You have to come out, come tell the people them say 25 man. The DNA, I told me I want to call the man them. All of this 25 selector man. Come do DNA. Girl, none of my belly them no rough yet. You can't rub me. Look, girl, go rub your dry scratches with a blue bomber soap. You can't rub this a clean blood clot, girl. You want to be me, and you wish your blood clot be me.
Right,
no, me never have a rough belly. And a 25 man, 25 man. And you know, have none of your pitney, man. Stop telling people say you have 2 pitney, you have 3 pitney. You have 1 girl and you have 2 boys. You have a 15-year-old son where you them take from you and give to your mama. And you have a little girl for a pervert African man. Where the African man they go jail for molest a little girl. And that's why they never give him the child. The child was put up to adopt when the child was 2 years old. And then if Kurt never stand up and fight for him pitney, you understand? And you love come call about Kurt this and Kurt that and Kurt this. Because Kurt is a peaceful man. He's a peaceful man. And he don't want a problem. The man just want to live his life with him baby mother and his children. Every minute you call the blood clot man name because the man hate you. The man hate and then I tell you. You know what you do? Hey, girl, let me tell you what to do. You just get your indefinite. Come in on my
My
blood.
baby, you know.
Ring me. Hey, dirty girl. Ring my phone and let me tell you how you for make the little boy get in blood clot British book. Because the little boy only have the 30 months. Yeah, you are talking about my baby father. We have indefinite. Yeah, you just get indefinite about 3 months ago. Call my phone and me can go download the form for you. If you want, me can fill it up for you. Me can get it signed for you. And me can all you have to do is give me the money and me pay for it and make the baby get in British book. And that's your figure blood clot do. And stop the yapping. Yeah? Go and make him contact Kirk and go sort out your little son. And stop shut up your blood clot mouth on the internet and be a menace to the ugly. You favor them blood clot groundworm there. You know them groundworm there when rain fall and them blood clot rise. I saw your favor. Boy, you want to come argue with good. You can't argue with blood clot. You can't walk in my shoes. Eh? You don't even have blood clot clothes. Because when you get a PIP and you get your ESA, employment support, you take it and pay a man for get the golden shower. How you for make an old man piss by you for 400 pounds? The man buy 2 new tire. And your son want one trainers man in foot. Eh? You know my trainers, hey dirty girl. You don't see me put up. Dirty girl, every summer I buy my son 4, 5, 6 blood clot trainers. You can't chat to me, dirty girl. No, you can't chat to me. No, pretty clean and nice like my baby them. Huh? What the blood clot would feel like? Sister full of my please. Yeah, go naturalize the one. Go pay the 1,399 blood clot pound. Go pay that and naturalize the little boy and make him get in blood clot blue book. Cause you don't even know what kind of book them are giving now. I like you for blood clot though. When you come on the internet and be a menace. Yeah? And now but the money where you get, go give your son something. Go give the look up boy blood clot. So tell you something, earthworm. Yeah? First of all, I innocent children. And Kirk is a decent guy, and Kirk love him son. I mean the man ball when the man hear people are class him children, him son. And that's why I said to him, say, I'm gonna tell you something more. Me now blood clot class the little baby because she not a mama, she's a surrogate. Yeah, and I went time she have the burn them barra home, you know. I don't know why the government blood clot barra home because the girl slow.
No, that's why they only never know so she's slow and when them find out that's why they have to take out the picture fast.
Let me tell you something, 2018, them drug got the clinic, 7 months belly go wash it out. Cause them say you no bring no more blood clot pitney on earth. So we not look after your blood clot pitney them no more. Cause you don't even bring good blood clot pitney. You handicap girl? Come out and tell the people them say you throw blood clot yourself down the step. Them have to section you. Them have to take the baby at 32 weeks. When the baby born, the baby weigh 3 pounds, a little tiny something, because she try, after she throw herself down the step, then she take a knife and I try to cut out the baby out her belly. Come on, tell the people them that. When you want to come talk about, oh, she mad, girl, you can't talk to me. Oh, mad girl have her children, them. Our mad woman is able to grow and raise and look after her children. Our mad girl. Daughter come get 7 GXC out of blood clot 7. How you go? When you want to come argue with me and tear me down?
Right,
what you going to tear me down? None of you know nothing about me. I be a dopey story. I see the new show out, the Candy Man, and I want to go watch it. We know the blood clot Freddy Cougar and Candy blood clot man. We not come with no blood clot facts and reality. I be a liar.
Don't get IT.
Come talk to IG and come tell IG and boy me fully bad away. You want somebody to see a kick with your blood clot foot. Eh? Fully bad for cuss children, fully bad for put up innocent children. Yes, and that's fully bad. You can't even put your word together. 1 + 1 is what? Huh? Spell cat, spell rat. Eh?
When
them go from people pitney and weak, them weak. When them no know for you, them gone for your pitney, them weak.
Nah, with none of uno. You see one time when I call my name, I just open my blood clot, watch off. I say, what kind of clothes me gonna put on now? And then I just look over there, so when my shoes back them, I touch the blood clot ceiling. I say, oh, which one of them trainers me go wear? Because every blood clot tight to I have a clothes I have a shoes to match it. Yeah, I have a shoes to
What's
match
up,
it.
Blind Bombshell?
Big up yourself, Bombshell.
Hey, plan.
When I grudge me for my life, when I grudge me for everything, when I want my unhappy like, it will never happen. You understand? Me not have to come past social media to come look no friend. Have my friend them already who me for have. My having in my circle.
I don't need a loyalty for the night because you don't even have loyalty to yourself.
Yeah? Look here. Hey, when you look on the ugly set of gal them, the naked set of gal them, you show 500 pounds, you go to draw. Me know. You get your pip. You get 650 pounds a week, a month. And you run go dry it out. Plus, me not talk what you do. And you think, stop me the man them, make you, the house where you there sell drugs, the drugs where you have the house, and I keep the drugs, you better stop it.
Yeah, because they know you're retarded, so they know you got jail. They're going to see.
No. Because all you fear sell the man them drugs, so you're naked and want clothes. No full blood clot body. I remember come out and show my body. Only do a full body picture now. We don't want in a long time 1910 Asian blood clot picture. We want original, authentic picture of nobody now. Cause we not talk about my body. Oh, how you big, oh, so big. I when me blood clot big, my man want me. I go. No hear me no come out. So me come out and me tell you something. It hurt to know. Me you talk about your stepfather. Yeah? Same like, oh, my man grew my daughter. Your stepfather grew. My dad never got police station go report Raleigh say molestar. But you got police station go report your mother husband. I make them lock up the man. And when them investigate, a liar blood clot tell wicked girl. Yeah? You hear the things that will come out of your mouth? Whatever come out of your mouth, define you.
When she shame you right now, my mother supposed to have her grandson now. I shame like that.
No, supposed to have your blood clot, pitney them. Your whole list of blood clot. I back to school.
I last time when you have the little boy on the line and I give money. The little boy, I said thank you. The little boy look at you like bitch, me don't even know you, me not like you, bitch.
Exactly. They don't even have good wig. She going to the ages of shop. How she do? The girl them do them ear and them. Hey girl, me have enough blood clot. Me have enough ear right now when me can't give you. Call my phone, you have a number. Call my phone. Me get some ear. Cause you want one nice blood clot hairstyle. You want one nice wig. You have them big blood clot Kung Fu Panda wig you put your head. How you go with them there?
No, them big blood clot all helmet. You remember back in the day, them all helmet there. I Sophia with them say she, yo, me don't understand. It always a rain pan for your blood clot and always a wear shower cap.
Big bamboo at I saw the girl head ear spread off. Who are wear them the blood clot hairstyle like? When you are dirty girl. I'm gonna tell you the girl nasty. The girl got one STD blood clot clinic. Yeah? And the guy have gonorrhea. Cause she ever have disease in a shot, disease collector. And when she go and she going in the bathroom, the boy have gonorrhea and the boy come in her mouth. And let me tell you, Nicole Dainty, I warn you for the last time. Fretdem, you see me say Nicole, she use a page name Amara Lovely. You watch my belly. Good pussy need for shelter. You have a problem with my
Because
pussy
can't
and I'm
talk
not
about
that
nobody
pussy.
because she whole of your blood clot, torso and neck and breast in a wall.
Never.
She can't talk about nobody because them tell us say them gyal when we go after
We
and them gyal no show up themselves. You not
girl.
argue with them gyal sister. You know your sister go pick off them gyal face.
Me know your type, you know. Can't me know your type because you're nasty, your mind filthy. You walk and suck pussy like dog. You walk and worry about my pussy. You can't get a pussy for throw up. But I tell you something, you see you type up my name again. Yeah? Me I carry you over Facebook again because I have all of your family. Me have a
Yeah,
page.
all our blood clot sister we have 2 chin, 2 neck, 2 heavy blood clotting. She born with too
There,
much.
all of them. I mean, I show you a picture. I mean, I show them where you're there for your pedophile things, where you're there for Instagram and go out with. And the last one, me, I want you. Stop type up my name. So, me not trouble you. Me not trouble you, you know. Me not see you, you know. And I like me, I call your name, you know. Stop type up my blood clot name. Me know you're there over here, girl. Stop. Type up my name, I go bring you over Facebook, go scrub you, go rub you, go blood clot, beard you, go dress you, dirty girl, cause you want blood clot look like me. Yeah, you want blood clot look like me. Can't say me no want you. Amara lovely, the page.
Candy, Suki say, how is your t-shirt business? Sweetheart, do you sell anything from the week? Shortbread, I am sending you
Touch it, woman.
E500 for Candy. Please be honest and give it to her.
I am not getting a pay feed. Every group you're going on, you fight girl over them, Fretdem pussy tongue. I would say no, you're not getting me pussy tongue for
You never
true.
see that girl eat, but Tanya, you ever see how the girl shape her blood clot breast and her torso in a blood clot one and her body square and look like the back of one blood clot UPS truck while the back of the mail truck them.
Yeah.
Talk to nobody. Tanya, you tell us you're not argue with them girl will go after them now come out the door. Just like how China call me name AIDS Chin. The girl right. Text say you admit to say you have AIDS. Chin, remember you can't call Tanya name, you can't call Fretdem name. Fretdem come at your yard multiple times. You text you multiple times, call you multiple times. You're not coming outside, you're a pussy bitch. Don't call my motherfucking name because anytime I catch you, I'm still gonna beat your ass, bitch.
Right,
I'm still gonna beat your ass, cuz.
What I post up on that and so if your body no see her, you know. Me never say one girl can make people drug her in a problem like so. Me no see this girl, but me 8, me 9 and 10, you ugly blood clot, dry up spit.
Stop got the dentist. Cause the dentist
which color is you? Girl, you know, see how girl nice and girl complexion in a blood clot.
Baby, what's up?
But not the dark, but me nice.
Girl.
What you baby?
Pretty girl, Tanya. Ow.
Thanking of my baby, skin clean.
Yes, my wife, Shawn. I want to eat. Stop. Me not allow me, man. Me not sitting down, you know.
But tell you, baby, the reason why I'm not upon you because you God bless Pitney. The devil always to God bless Pitney.
Me ain't that drinking the big night, me get back. The big back.
Me say Tanya when the girl picture, me sorry, so me can't get to show her picture. Me say when you look under that the girl the body there, the girl says she in her 30s. No girl, you need to go find back your age paper. Cause remember your mother never own you, so therefore you don't know your blood clot age. Cause we could have swear to God say you passed it.
Who's that?
You need that much Power Ranger. Yeah, belly cream up like
Yeah, the girl come with her with me say, she when you're there on live, we get your picture live on blood clot direct. Chin, me say, if I near you, me go hide. Me not lie, ya come talk about girl, ya talk about me, blood clot, Fretdem. Girl, I bet you this your black because when you're black,
not a blood clot.
Trust me, when you start bleeding,
everything start love fight.
It don't look good.
Me too. Me no in the long talking to blood clot. Me no in it.
Mama.
No long talking. Me
You know Hey, you know, a bun storm, we notice a girl that takes a point and you
I
can't catch them.
can't. I'm telling you. There will be one fine day when I catch that ugly motherfucking ape, and y'all will
When you
see it
don't
live
beat
in
out our
blood
blood
clot
class, it's up
direct.
to you.
Trust me. There'll
You should
be
get a
one
fine
fine
beat at
day.
them time, them stuff.
Of course. They will have to stop.
That's why I
Cause
say I
them are
Me
gonna
can't
say, you
buy
see
the
know,
it.
me
internet
say,
bad.
girl,
It's a
Nicole,
waste
me
of
same
time
day
that.
when Nicole forget
Right.
her beating. Nicole have me up and down, up and down, up and
She
down.
What
hear
about
your
the
Hey,
voice,
what
Fretdem. She hear your voice, and she take time jumping out car and left.
that
She
big
hear
boss
you.
say, hey, me say, yo,
When
I
she was
saw
on
you
the
threatening
video,
me with
she
gun
hear
to you know,
you.
Nicole. Me no know why no pussy girl I come talk about, so not threatening me with gun.
But I
But
have a
not
gun on
threatening blood
me. What
clot
the
me.
fuck does that mean? So?
She always look like she's sorry. Me not understand. The way she blood clot look like. Her face always look like Aki in a coronation mark when you just burn out and
Oh, a
bleach
Jesus
out.
different
You know
one
the
there.
peace.
Aki look. You know the Aki skin look. It's not pink. It's not red. It's just in
Red.
between. I saw the woman look like some burnout blood clot Aki in a coronation market when nah
I
move.
bleach and
What
it
I
not
go
No
reach.
and
what?
always
No,
say no
son.
movement. Down to the Aki nah move. I saw chin face blood clot look. And then under her
Mad.
body have beer blood clot dimples. Me not understand how fear her body have beer dimples. So I want.
I want me
And
to
then you want
paint. Me
come
not
talk
like
about girl.
price.
You want come talk
Nah
about
lie.
girl. Oh, that's why me
Although
not
me
like.
no
That's
know
why
her
anytime
like
they bring
that,
up my
but our
picture, them always
blood
have to
clot
do
house
something with
need to
my
paint.
picture.
Can't bother.
Always.
Have
Fucking
money and
idiot.
the house look like shabby. Fucking the most people on the internet, them not have dry shit in them bumbleclad ass, and
Them
them
have
want come
nothing to do.
talk to good girl. Them fi
man,
move up.
Them
Move
lifestyle
up,
stamp because them have no else to do but mix
right?
up people name.
Them I take picture and them fucking house in the background. If you ever see the paint on the water aspect, it doesn't cost that much to buy a can of paint, you know. It don't.
The one that wear a
They
cut
have
and a gun
money
and
I
them a work
fling,
on
fling,
nothing.
fling. They have money I fling all blood clot about, but they can't buy a tin of paint. Come on, man.
If
Fuck.
them a go sit down pan people name every single day, them not have nothing to do.
That's what I'm saying. Like, fuck. They need to get a job. They need to do something. Shit.
If them they have something to do, them would dey pan media every single day.
I'm telling you.
I fuck with people. Them
Mm-hmm.
need something to do.
And that's the same thing what the ape is doing, talking about she a nurse. You're not a fucking nurse, bitch. You're a PSW. And you only work twice a week. That's why you have so much fucking time on your blood clot hand. To be
She
going
mean
in a
her
people
face more than
inbox
look
and
like she a
report
bite and
this
nobody
or
never bother
report
the
blood
dirty
clot
pussy
that.
girl.
You
Ma,
can't keep reporting all your blood clot want. Instagram is not our life, bitch. You're making it as if it's your life and you're like the people on there is your real fucking friends. Like, bitch, get a life.
nah
You
like
have
I
five fucking
love your
people.
story.
Oh.
I love your story, but not lie.
She
The
love
one
it
where you
too.
turn up in one them thing, them I love that one there. That
Yes.
one you bad.
Thanks. Don't kill me. I laugh after the
Yo,
idiot
me say
them.
what me see it. I more than 3 times I see it and I laugh. Cause me not like bad.
man,
I laugh after the clown them, yeah? We all laugh after them. That's how we doing. Yeah, we all laugh after them. Them are nobody.
Exactly.
Them are idiot. Mm-hmm.
life is really
Don't
nice.
know
Like,
who to frighten.
I don't understand how these people get up every day and be negative.
Every
They need to
single
go do
day.
things. They have kids and they don't go out.
Sunday
It's
to
summertime.
Sunday.
Right, it's summertime. Go out and do things. Like fuck, man. Have like live life. We're living.
Me
You
never
guys
see them
aren't
go up on their live and show when them a cook and no. Me never see them cook yet. Me never see them
never
put up and say them a cook and no. Yeah, they must depend people name every single day.
24/7.
If you're hungry, go and cook your food, na man.
Right? They need to go clean. They need to go do something.
No,
Keep themselves
sir.
fucking busy. Shit. Them have so much time on their
And the
rascal
more
hand. I
them
don't get
calling
it.
them, and the more them not eat now full them belly, you know, them still hungry, you know.
I'm telling you.
Them supposed to ball a night and real them belly bottom and kill them to push it that all empty. It's empty.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
please. Oh, please.
New
She
vehicle? New vehicle. No, sir. Has no vehicle. And she broke like church mouse. So she got a new vehicle. The blood clot.
You need to read the word.
She has a fucking van and a fucking Honda. She
me
ain't got
see it
no
in our
Porsche. She ain't got nothing.
The woman
Star, man,
liar
she
when
FYI.
paint
the
it
woman
over, you
says
know,
she
man,
sell
she
her
paint it
Porsche.
over.
Dirty Ape Sanders. Let me ask you a question. I know you
Man, she
see
paint it
them
over.
life
Right?
and you want it, you bad mind me. Lady, you used to curse me about my dog. I see how my dog, how my horse smell. I look now, you move from one dog to two dogs.
To two,
Hey, let me tell
right?
you something. Bad mind is a bitch, you know?
She
Bad
wants
mind
to
is
be
a
like
blood
Fretdem.
clot
There's only one
bitch.
Fretdem. All the people that I call you there, they say
Yes,
I
you see
talk
all of
about,
them
oh,
fake blood clot fret them.
Fretdem.
Like
I'm
when
like,
no you
what?
know she be says only one fret them in know is me. So all I want to other fret them all of a
Amari
sudden
say it
because
too.
you hear me name a pop like blood clot popcorn and a pop like girl dry
yeah,
spring.
partner.
All of a sudden the whole of the one here fret them when it's all said and done there's only one fret them motherfucker and it's me. Yeah,
Exactly.
me I real fret them in
But
a fret.
Fretdem go look for Kiki, dead
And
body
yeah,
in a
all of a sudden
mark.
when
Me
you fret
say,
them a
Jesus
paper
Christ,
like
me.
get the fuck
Hey, when
I
out
me
of
hear
only
them
here.
say
one
Fretdem, you
Fretdem.
know,
I'm
and
like,
when me see them go
Fretdem,
on
oh,
live,
me
we
never
realize
hear
that I
that.
want gay guy them
My
at
friend never tell me, say she gonna mean go to no more, go see
Them a
Kiki.
lie, just show you so them hear when them
I
hear your
said,
name.
yo, I
I saw them
one
pussy, I
blood
say that
clot
once them hear your
Fretdem,
name, I saw
and I'm
them
my
right, man. Me
friend.
I tell you,
Come.
Mm-hmm.
all of the jingles them on the ear are for me. Me. When you hear them
Yes,
to
one
fret them pretty girl
Fretdem.
star. I'm watching
Yes,
Tanya Dan. That tell it's us.
Wait for that
That
sister.
right, right.
talk shit.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my customer.
First lady Fretdem. Wanna hear that?
Yes. That's why
Yes.
suck pussy, franty mouth, pretty dancer, Dr. Love on the man, cause when she start this him, she start this me too. Me say me na you frog
Mm-hmm.
face that I want you going kick in your blood clot face. Me tell you any show you have a New York a war. Any blood clot show. You come talk about you gonna ring your gun and you will shoot me. Hey girl, I gonna get up and I gonna come to Orlando. And me I go guard the police station. Since you don't like police and me can't find you, me I go tell the police how much me scared for my life. And then from there, so me don't know where I go at me. Yeah. That's what me I go do no
Oh,
pussy. Gonna show me something. Yeah, that's what you have to do. You have to go tell police that you're scared of your life and then anything or
But
anything, you know,
that's what
yeah.
the fucking ape I do. I try beat
Yeah,
we in as if we are
yeah.
idiot. We are not idiot,
Yeah,
ugly
Cash
girl.
Queen there, Florida. And you know want to argue with Cash Queen, but I mean you want to argue with blood clot,
Mm-hmm.
frog face, blood clot,
Yeah,
pretty dog.
Sharpbird.
Why
I saw
face
come up
look
on the
just like
life
a
and
blood
realize that
clot
him
frog.
and
Eh?
I
Right.
Fretdem
Me
here.
when Stacy blood clot of people at PJ and there, Florida come on live and a
Me
ball
I
for
feel
years. Years of your mother did you defend you in a big pussy get done and you come talk about me suck wood. Me and my man will you come
right.
tell us to suck him wood now. You suck pussy
eh,
now because you suck pussy that no mean
people
say me have to
don't
suck
even know
wood.
what okay, that. I'm
Dan
telling you,
in a the
this
group.
is that
Dan,
be your own
remember you put in a the
Exactly.
group
Short
and I show you
bread.
dirty pussy and then you tell lies say a spacey.
Watch it. And it block me. It
Yeah,
block me.
because I saw that somebody said I fool Tanya. And somebody said you look a blood clot or all that or big belly girl with her belly full up of blood clot shit and sperm. Then when I no food,
Mm-mm.
then when a blood clot live nowhere. Then you still
That
this come hey.
that
Remember the cash queen say your
that way
blood clot skin
now
favor
draw
crocodile. Eh?
they have money. With a big dirty bumper want chop off.
Yeah, remember
Rise,
you
Okay.
walk with
dirty
boil in your
bungle.
belly.
Bungle.
Your
Rise,
blood
Dirty
dirty
clot down.
bungle.
bungle.
You can't
Rise,
Rise,
do there
dirty
dirty
because you don't want to fuck Dr. Love and
Hey,
bungle.
Dr.
I
Love
heard
tell
in
us
that
no
tune
no
that,
sad.
hey,
The
at the
man a
right
bad
time,
man.
Morris in that tune there. The
Yes.
Yeah.
right
You too
time.
old down. Dirty blood clot down. You walk and suck pussy like drawers. Eh? Oh, you come talk together, you suck pussy like drawers. Suck your pussy where you want. Don't tell me say me I suck no wood. Name no man would you see me suck dirty girl. Me yeah, your blood
Right?
clot wife every time I'm out long no blood clot and look stink. Camille mouth look stink
Mm-mm.
no blood clot when Camille take a picture.
Bamba.
Camille always a go like say and she name blood clot capital K. Look for that picture and put them all like hey
Count
can you come
anybody.
talk about say
But
me
they
blood
really
clot maga.
for everybody
Eh?
to send you, you go book up on God. If a
Yeah.
Satan send you, up on God.
Them girl got me
Right?
and send them. She too out harder. Me say people, I'ma tell her, so when she send the message and she realize, I'ma tell her, say, you threaten me, I block the girl, block me. Dan is a big pussy girl. That's why me say people not gonna hear about it tonight. Me say people no want to see how my outfit ready. Me say we ready to blood clot like Freddy, you know. I ready, me say people. Me ready to blood clot. I say, when the family them say tonight, say we are ready. And them say we outfit. And me say, alright, when you say outfit, alright, we ready for it. People say the outfit, yeah. Sit yeah. Cause we was gonna beat the shit out of you because word to everything, cause I'ma show you word to fucking crip. I'm a shut up for him. Shut up.
Too much man to fuck with man.
Yeah,
I
no
stop trouble.
understand. And then when
Right?
it come send me message and then I come blood clot block me. Hey, me I go put out the message and me I go tag her dirty blood clot tonight. Dirty bungle down. Any show me see up anywhere in New York. It could have been upstate New York, Bronx, Queen, anywhere. But say, you get your face blood clot knock off. Because remember, you know, all you have to do is just get 2 little rum and you're in there, you don't know who is you. Because remember, Fretdem can look 20 blood clot different way. You say, oh, me, maga girl, you know, she say Fretdem have a weight. You look like you don't see Fretdem. Pussy wall, remember me and your Dan, you used to always have me on your blood clot page and I beat me up, suck pussy,
Exactly.
girl. You understand? Dirty idiot blood clot, girl. Remember, Cash Queen say your skin just like snake. A snake skin you have, you change blood clot thing. When you not argue with Cash Queen, make she get to use her big body and mash out your blood clot face. You know, so Cash Queen body big. She gonna use that big body and sit down for your blood clot. But you don't want to argue with them in Florida. Idiot blood clot, girl. I come talk about so you always walk with your gun. Yeah, you always walk with your gun in your blood clot baggy. And that's what me talk about you. No have no gun except the one in your baggy. Hungry girl when you live no blood clot way. From you get up in the morning, you sit down under one blood clot tree from one piece of chair and settle on your bed. You know, say, hey, little girl, let me tell you something. Me send up ACS in your blood clot house because I have a life what is very disturbing to me. When you're dead, when you're alive, and the little girl was there. When Camille,
you're not putting for the little girl.
Tanya.
Eh?
Right, and you dead, you talk about your so-called Camille pussy, and you want to see how the little girl look. Here's a dog shit. ACS need to get involved because you dead, you try to suck out that little girl the pussy too. And the Mr. people, you want you, the little dirty girl a go on. Oh, she suck out Camille pussy last night and one bag of thing. Suck your pussy where you want, but the little baby was there. You're a dog shit. Idiot girl, me no rate you. Me no blood clot rate you. And that's the reason why y'all lava in a problem. And me don't know why y'all lava in a problem because tonight me say me that lay with your blood clot. Me say you know cause you don't know me used to lava. Tonight I chat and laugh. Me say me a lay with you say girl. But then me go find out say y'all lava them no depend nothing. Trust me, hey, girl, I hear some things say tonight. Boom, 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 boom. Clap, 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 clap. You that hear say, you that say blood clap. Me never know separate them so serious. Them girl ain't afraid. No, them girl ain't afraid I go to prison, me bitch. Bitch. No. When you walk those fucking roads, man, you're not scared, man. The fuck is going to happen? You're not going to see the light of day, but you're still going to have fucking bread to eat. So what the fuck? Idiot blood clot that anytime you come to New York, you're your capital retarded blood clot wife. You know, see, that's why you have to, you know, see, I saw you have to get a green card from a retarded girl. Hey, Dan, remember your body look like a blood clot overripe banana, you know. Remember, I saw your body look. You understand, spotting a blood clot when you're in a group. I throw out your big old dirty blood clot pussy. Go suck your madam. Go. And then you tell like boss, you Stacy, they put out the video and you dirty pussy girl. Put out the video when the boy come tell us, oh, the boy the for your big pussy and you come talk about thumper, not a blood clot thumper. But thumper the boy. And that's if you go get off of your pussy, idiot girl.
I should love when girl them sex her with the boy them. Yo, yeah. She not.
No girl can't talk to me raw old blood clot, dad. Dan. Right. Pretty Dan, so you raw no blood clot. Hey, I'll feel old good burn your cause plastic no stop rub down your body blood. blood clot hole. Go.
People when not see you. We not see you. Where you come trouble with
I
for?
mean, of course, you dirty sodomite. Me not care about no other girl we are sodomite, but you a dirty sodomite. Me not like you sodomite girl. Any other sodomite me not like you. Cause you're a dirty sodomite with paper retarded blood clot girl. You know, so you need a scab. That's why me want Uncle Sam. That's why I know you check me. I remember you're in a ICE custody and you check me. Me I call police. Me I call police by your dad. Me Fretdem I call police. Venice Parks. Just remember say Fretdem I got somebody tell Pretty Dan say Fretdem blood clot in bank. Say she a call the police.
Them done a record it already.
Yeah, me I call the police by you. Dirty, stinking Venice Parks, me I call police by you. The church where you send me, you don't know some screen record it. Me go show you some screen record it. I'm going to put it on my page. Big pussy girl. Yeah, when I'm done, I'm going to put it on my page and make everybody here. Oh, yeah, come say, oh, yeah, go shoot me. And oh, my pussy big. Me never know some my pussy big because no girl never dive in on my pussy yet. My pussy is look bit right there, so. You understand? Remember, I know you're a pussy. Remember, man used to fuck you and them not find satisfaction in you. That's why you have forgotten to girl, your blood clot, gender confused. This minute, you one girl, you're ling. Then the next minute, you're done. Bitch, you're gender confused. You don't know who you want to be. Bitch, try to fit in somewhere. Go suck out Laverne Buckley. That's me a blood clot. My mother pussy is blessed. My mother pussy no bring no retarded pitney. None of my mother 5 pitney them no retarded. You crazy? That's the pitney. That's the pussy blessed. Blood clot.
Oh, so she can't hear it.
Yeah.
Who can hear it?
Stop.
Oh, stamp for your internet always a box and kick and thump. I'm so fight our internet. Yeah, back to this dirty blood clot, that dirty girl. Come talk about you're done anywhere you go. Bitch, you ain't no done anywhere you go. I swear to God, when I ask you for daytime and location today, I would have show you I violate you, bitch. Bitch, New York is my state, my country, my city, my fucking state, bitch. You out your mother cut mine. This is my fucking state. You stupid. Come talk about and Florida still at my blood clot place. You're still everywhere I go in the 52 blood clot state. The fuck you talk about? I got a bucketive, bitch. Boy, you come talk, boy, you go shoot me, alright? I'm gonna send it to your mother and make it to your mother say, make sure she have your blood clot deal money. Watch me, I'm gonna teach you something. What's that so ice not like you already? I'm gonna make you go for one plane.
Come back.
Come out and come back, sister. She said, other Tanya. Hey, they look at that pussy girl. And boy, you block me, sister. That's what I'm telling you. Who's the go send you? Send you. I saw you used to go over there and I fuck with Dovey Magnum. I know you're groupie.
Yeah.
Me see you take picture with Dovey Magnum. And Dovey pussy you the one suck out for a long time. And me call the girl say she can't hold it. She a ball out.
Dovey and text it.
Oh, Tanya, boy, you said me threat. Watch me and you. Watch me and you. You don't know, girl, me come to Florida. Girl, if you drive to Florida, me can leave tonight, 12 o'clock at Florida tonight. And me reach at Florida by after 4, after 5 in the morning. Yeah.
Fretdem, you can play a song for them?
Yeah, why not play a song for them now? Who they post for them? Boy, you come blood clot, call girl name and this girl. You know what you do? So I always tell Dr. Robson now. Yeah, man.
Hot.
You say hot, but it's not. Oh. Yes.
Negative energy. I make one time traveling machine gun in that dimension. I be a big long gun, kill the fire when man I roll clip well ram up.
Yes, Marie, ugly blood clot. I'm done. Venice Park. We are desperate to be a man where God would have said, I would have never give a cocky to pushing a nobody daughter. That's why God didn't ever give a cocky and God said, you know, I make a give a boil instead. And the girl you watch your body look like a blood clot over right banana. All body speckle and favor blood clot over right banana. Them girl you see that super chop out the
them words, though, right?
And turn on and tell life on blood clot.
Word in our mouth. Don't kill me.
Chunky blood clot. Dan I saw she go around and fuck with everybody. Dirty woman. Stinking dirty woman. Me never see her. Dirty. I mean, I wait for your big blood clot. So that don't be this woman to come to. Yeah, cause she love to fight your back because she knows that you gender confused. Yeah, fear pussy no set to right and there because she no bring all normal blood clot with me. Yeah. Yeah, and you fuck with me first. You fuck with me or you fuck with Dr. Love. Suck your mama and go. Your mother I gonna bury you because of your nose. And me I gonna make sure your mother, I gonna make sure say your mother be you. You're too out to order.
I'm gonna have to talk to her. Leave people alone and trouble when you trouble her.
Yeah.
If you remember when you just come out of the Dr. Love life and we used to say,
Dirty pretty dog. Come suck out the shit out of my body hole. Come well bone up. Come release my bat. Come release my blood clot. Dennis Parks, aka Pretty Dan. Come suck out the shit out of my body hole. Girl, my bung up no blood clot. Come release me. Yeah, girl, me some blood clot and I can't even recognize the winter. I call up my name, my bung up, yeah.
Marie Wagwan.
You're doing so right.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Skibby dang.
She just retarded like dirty blood clot. Just like full up a blood clot, baby father, right? Like dog.
I want to jump out of behind the blood clot. I want to go downstairs to me pistachio ice cream.
Yeah, them just rest my name. Pretty Dan, rest my name and rest Dr. Love blood clot name. Rest with name, dirty girl. Me are the first lady for SWAT team and me I go kick off your face. Remember my blood clot tell you that. So anytime you come on New York, just know say it I for go be war. You feel like say you go come and say Pretty Dan. If me didn't know I wish airport you leave today, I wish fly. Trust me, me did that day at the airport come I go show you how serious me is, girl. Girl, you think I joke thing? Me not in a no joke thing with you. Yeah, my mother push straight and my mother push bring it out the blood clot. Yeah, come talk. A girl all come talk about all me blood clot, maga. Girl, you show me one of Victoria's Secret blood clot.
Everybody wants to be maga.
In fashion model where you see look like
exactly.
You. Show me you see no magla walk on stage look blood clot like you. Show me that. Otada. Otada stink.
Just.
Pretty Dan, you know, see how you look from infection can't get to travel from COVID infection take vacation in you. That's why you're so big and stink and come like a brown barrel and feel like say you're a man. You know, see infection all up in your skin has scaled down to the juice company stop make your blood clot advertise to them because them see them big you know, see last night a fish fry and the girl them must be sorry so they make you come host them blood clot party because they never have 10 people in it. Don't go see girl. Yeah.
I want to be
First thing on a bowl like them full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth. Everything get
fuck when I reach 16 bone of gas skin. Run up and see. Yeah, chopstick.
Oh, damn bright.
Big fool.
Yeah. Hey. That's it.
Yeah. Big pussy, Pretty Dan. Remember, Moras full up in your girl Camille pussy. Young Camille look like mother and daughter blood clot frog. Every time we look on the girl you want to see her retarded the bitch look.
Yeah, chopstick.
I would done.
No, I saw some girl look like 11 miles. I would be a bad road.
No,
what the fuck is that?
Yeah.
Is a shark?
I'm a shark.
A hammerhead shark. Jesus Christ.
Them girl come like
no,
steel news, all broke down toilet. I want to do it. Go sleep just now. We just have it out.
Don't fucking kill me.
What did you say? No, big.
Damn, girl.
This big pussy dog must
We
eat me.
stop here.
Tanya.
Oh God. Oh God.
Darren,
This
you wanna sit and bring me a water, please?
true.
I want one of the
No,
sparkling one.
16 bone of boy skin.
Yes, I do. They want some BJ's, the BJ's brand. If they don't have no Perrier, give me the BJ's brand.
Tom,
Huh?
when you think a spin?
stop it.
Push the black like time. Push look like midnight.
Oh
Push look
God.
like midnight.
No, when I think about it, we choose to
Push a
that shit.
midnight. Uko bit a ram blood clot turn.
Stop it. You know?
Bumbo.
Now I shock. And the
No,
teeth it up.
Tanya.
It really feel.
How would you?
Tanya, don't kill me.
No. What?
Oh, the comment right there,
Don't
so you
pack me up.
find it.
No, sir. How are this?
Cheers. Me laugh till I tears are Yes.
Black like
If you
tar,
stop it,
puss.
Tanya.
Black like tar.
No,
What's that?
bad sheriff, stop it.
Hold on.
Never
They have my shark to pussy claw. Watch ya. Watch him out. Me bumbo.
nobody.
Watch the eye. Watch it two eye the side.
No, sir. Watch out the
No,
mode.
too much.
Bumbo.
Jesus, peace. Oh my God.
Oh,
Watch your ugly. It's ugly,
Hallelujah.
you know. Ugly.
Hallelujah.
you know. Oh God.
No.
At least we get a good love. Can't go to bed.
All the one skin
Look at
over
what.
upon him back, Tanya. That one they make me laugh. You say, what the fuck is that? No,
Nah, me
sir.
love Shay. Love Shay. When she was class, she class. I don't know my class, she class, you know. Yeah, they know me never said that one there.
What
They
did I
just
do?
sit that one. No, no. Shay. No man, that one you beat all.
Bumbo.
No to blood clot. What is, dear Father God? On a Sunday, what that?
What you beat?
Bingo.
Tanya, send it to me. No, you have to send that one there to me.
Bingo.
Me have to put it on my story. Me have to
Bingo.
put that one there on my story. That one
That
connect.
one is the right one.
That one they connect. That one
Ma.
they connect.
You
Me love.
see it I wait have 6-pack.
No man, I
Or
don't
double
want.
pack.
Yeah.
Me plus.
Jesus Christ, watch
You
ya.
don't talk.
Yes, Tanya, but the door you find them there, you know, but you need to send this up, Lord Jesus Christ. Let me post them to blow out. Eh? And put the right
Let them dead.
caption. And put the right caption for them. Don't kill me.
Let them dead.
Them fucking teeth there will come out looking like jaws.
No man, me never said like this in my life.
Watch your head squeeze up. Watch
The
your
one you
face.
lift weight.
Jesus, please, watch your.
The one you lift weight to us.
All your neck back,
Yeah.
fucking
You just
strong.
come here, baby. You know I lift weight. Come here, baby.
Yo, we can't
Oh,
go with bed tonight to blood clot. No, sir. I kill you over here.
Mama.
Hey, pretty crew. Hey, Sharon Stone, baby, what's up? Pretty girls over here.
I saw you. I know the pretty, you know. Yeah, the
Live, Destiny live now. No, sir. Destiny gone live.
What can you can find them do?
And that me I say, where Tanya find them here from?
Mama.
You know what I want to find? The hyena in a Lion King.
Oh,
Wait.
yes. I know which one you're
Type it in
talking.
and you see come up.
Lord, jeez, Tanya, hold on. Let me see if we can find him.
Find it for me. Me want you find the one
Hold
what the
on.
one I say. The one where when the other one I say, it is head and it depend because that's a hook, you know.
Yes. Okay,
I
hold on.
see I
Stop
see
and come in
where
up,
to
sir.
feel. Same Shabbat too. You know, just they are a little vibes.
And Lion King. Hold on.
A tuna, I'm a
Lion King.
Yeah, just go.
Laughing, the one
Right?
that's laughing, right? Hyenas in Lion King laughing.
Max, be
Hold on.
quiet.
I think this is
Shini,
it.
The one that beaten.
Funny moments. Lion King, Mustafa. Tanya, the part that says Mustafa, that part?
We're not laughing. We're not
Tanya,
laughing.
Tanya,
Give me a bun my weed and show.
Tanya,
yes, sister.
are the part that says
Bun my weed.
Mustafa,
Yeah,
that part?
I did that for Mustafa. Ooh.
Yes, I'm sending it
I
to you.
see him one.
Oh,
Oh, I'm
Oh,
chop.
shit.
Me bun you
Hold
with the
on.
weed, you know?
Hold on.
my favorite,
I'm sending
my
it
love.
to you,
Give me some.
Instagram.
He could take an advantage to break us. He could take it by storm and notice.
Hold
Hey, man,
on.
I
I
like
will bun you with a weed. Watch me and you.
Oops. Tanya, I'm sending it to you right now. Hold on.
it.
Where is it?
I will bun you.
Joanna, where you did there? When we over here, tell your friends. Junglist.
How me can send it to Tanya? How the fuck this?
Then I
When
link
you should
for
be on the
WhatsApp.
line.
Me say I want to get me pistachio.
Hold on.
I just lazy.
When you fuck.
Yeah.
I
Man,
don't provoke me though.
we can take it in the
I feel like extra candy.
Lord God. And,
Mr.
come
Maggie,
on,
I'll look at
man.
you. Watch me and you.
1 second.
Tudip,
I'm
tudip, tudip. Meet
dead.
me at the corner. Tomorrow is
Oh,
work day. Oh my God. Why it just couldn't be Sunday again?
watch ya.
We have lockdown over here 3 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
The midget, yeah.
Didn't I see?
But all the things to the midget nice. The midget nice.
It's nice, yeah.
Just like Uko, she's a midget too. That's why I had some blood clot big and favor back in the days
Blood clot.
helmet. Yeah. And she have the extra blood clotted because I be a sperm in her head.
Boss is fully Bible. But put the bad.
Okay, Tanya, I'm sending it
Hey,
to you.
Tanya,
Hold
she have a
on.
meet, she have
Tanya.
a meet it, man. She have a meet it the wickedest way because, boy, the way she do, me not rate that. Boy, I wish that from people. Me say she will go down, you know? She
Yo,
will
that's
go
fucked up.
down.
You can't do that.
God, I will get her beat me.
Tanya, look, I'm sending it to you. Hold on.
I need to wish one.
Just press the link and it'll go right to it, Tanya.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know under which page, right? Yeah.
See, cha. Yeah, see, cha.
Yeah.
See, I see this, you know. I'm a starter.
I told him not to fight, you know. I told him not to fight.
Mustafa.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
back and forth, yeah.
To the master, yeah, talk. Okay.
How you think of the master? Don't
To
call her name.
the redneck there. Stinky. Yeah.
Hey, them look alike, you know?
Yes. Two dopey bats. Two of them ugly. Mustafa.
You see who up, you see who that. I tell you that, you know, so them have to behave. Them have to listen to the
Alright.
master.
Yeah.
Them have to listen to the master talk. Relax yourself.
A scar in there. Watch the idiot one with the
Man,
googly eyes. That one uko. The eyes, the googly eyes one, yeah. She
them have to listen to the master, you know.
Fretdem look on the pic now. Which pic?
Lord, hey, hey, hey,
Look for the
Bumbo,
leader. Look for the leader.
hey,
Bumbo, watch the leader
hey.
to post
I
it.
Tanya the
Watch
leader, you know. Tanya the leader. Watch it. Watch it. Yeah.
them sprayed your fuck. Watch her.
Look what Tanya do. Can
Tanya
you
kill
see?
me. Watch the googly eyes. Watch her. Idiot. They turn
Obey
fool.
your master. Watch it. Watch it.
Blood clot, burn them up. Burn them up.
Obey the master.
Hey, hey,
And where do we teach justice?
Back to
Sierra.
your damn face. Watch her.
Watch that.
Fucker, you get box, yeah. A box you get.
You know, feel it good
Tanya.
yet.
Stupid.
You give one kick to blood clot. One blood clot kick. Move up. Yeah. I love this movie. I love it.
I shall watch it. I gotta watch it when I got my bed.
I'm telling you. This movie is nice. I love it.
No,
Look how them a
sir.
dance for the leader. Look how them a dance for the
Watch her
leader.
dance, right? Them are all pledges to the leader. Jesus,
When
peace.
I watch Schindler's List, yeah, please.
What was that? Uh-uh.
Schindler's List.
Uh-uh.
It's I'm not so sure. Bomba. On this.
Bumbo.
Tanya, look. Pick.
It's a Nazi show, man. It was
Finally take off her wig, eyelash,
two
and her
did
makeup. Bumbo.
it had the beat himself
So
too
I
much
hear her
milk.
eyelash and makeup make them look good.
It very very wait name. Who come on? Fretdem with the pretty.
Pretty thing of a circle.
Hear me the right, yes, sir.
I mean wait name. No star a pretty. We pretty girl. Pretty girl, let me not see her.
You just come
Shin.
on.
Hey, me say me just I show them nice I say. And it's sad.
They run say I push that.
So it's not nice.
I push that Tanya.
Oh God. No, you need to watch a show there.
Netflix.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very, very sad.
Wait, when you send them in back on WhatsApp.
I
You
eat
can
me.
find it.
It's very, very, very much time I watch it. Yep. I see it. A baby rewarded. Let me grab this. I look
Don't
for
kill me.
come on. Oh,
I
Fretdem.
will fight them there. I think them a
Fretdem, they
report
got.
the blood clot page, you know, man.
What's wrong, Caris?
Tell us about mind people active,
I
you know.
understand. Me didn't mute and I couldn't come off of mute. Hey.
Oh,
Right?
wait.
It
Me
kick me off
type.
and say, thanks for
I'm
joining
tired.
Tanya's
It's like so
live.
the
Me say,
weekend done
blood
too
clot.
fast.
Tanya read the comment.
Mm-hmm.
Tanya show up.
Oh,
Wait.
in your inbox?
Yeah, pretty sure. Wait. Pretty sure, baby, I come there. Go away, no man. Go away, no
Yeah,
man. Me
them
eat
for
when.
report them all. I true share. Yeah. Them for
Right
go
there, so.
report them dirty blood clot all. Them be for morning. And them love tell people,
Bad
but go
mind
wash your
active.
baby buckles. Go wash your baby clothes. Go wash your blood clot. Feel underneath or maggage under the big pussy girl, you know. Bad man get the best of you know. Where?
Yes, Storm and they are reporting to live. They just report my comment.
Them go
Yeah,
suck
the
them
Storm, them
mama.
terribly.
I would have
Mm-hmm.
report. So,
Yeah.
some over
Them
here
a, them
went
a
up with the.
report, Sharon comment.
They just report my comment. That's that's all they're good for. That's all they do. They report every message that they come in my inbox and try cuss me with. And then blood clot report fucking me
Nothing in them pussy,
story. Them
Sharon.
report my
Nothing in
blood
it. It's
clot.
empty.
Everything them
In
blood
a
clot
column in have
report.
nothing in it.
Them need to go report them fucking mama where them
All a
can't
house can fit
find.
in them
Them
hole.
suck them mama. Alright?
Worse
Yo, me.
alarm.
Oh
Alright,
germs. IG
alright.
fucking germs them.
Enjoy ourselves, you know. We just threw up and we just nice. We just commented like them commented. Them over here
Right.
report comment. I put up here. Starting have an export. Go
Like
and clean up your
fuck
page.
man.
What you food page?
Nobody know the panda page, yeah. Not bad day except for we. That's it. Nobody else. After me not do nothing, me not even I do nothing and them a report me. Go ahead. Go suck on the mama. Go ahead.
Alright, Sharon, just send me it.
Me I come Sharon.
Yeah.
Fucking harass them harassing me. They're doing this and that, all kind of shit. They need to stop.
When I come up
They
by
need to
life,
be
Sharon.
grown women.
Yeah? No, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Sharon want come on?
Um,
No, sir.
Alright, mama.
Oh, she sent a request, but there's 4 of us on it already. So,
Kiara, what my next week information coming on me?
well, Sharon want come show something? And if you report
No,
me
it seems
pretty
like
feel, that
she
may I
sent me a
say,
request.
Sharon. Yeah, but
Okay.
No,
there's 4
Sharon
of
sent
us
me a
on it
request to
already,
accept
right?
it.
To add her, but there's 4 of us on it already. Unless one of us come on.
She said no, she'll go out. I mean, she not talk when she said she sent me a request.
Oh, okay. True. He said them people are, yo, them different, bruh.
Them not have nothing to do.
Them live for this IG shit. Like, fuck me,
I
man.
get a feed them.
Jeez and peace. The 8 need to go report our 3 followers over on our blood clot YouTube, but that shit they
Password.
do. That
What
germs.
next password, please? You change my password. It's not.
Fucking nasty girl. Most clean. May I go out, may I move around. Pretty stormy. Yes, me girl. We are live life. While them a live for IG. Yeah? Them a live for IG. Mm-hmm.
Not my password.
Everything they're doing is for Instagram. Me blood clots. Can't bother. And them
I
not
mean,
living a real life with real friends,
I just
real
lock down
people that
cause it,
love them. Yeah, it's true.
I use my
Damn,
next.
nothing better to do.
I just lock down cause it, man.
But damn, they could go out there and do something with themselves, make themselves active. Shit. And most of them have kids. You're telling me you still can't go to the park? You still can't go bring them swimming? Go bring them, you know what I mean, somewhere? To a theme park? Go do something. Go on a vacation if you want. Like, fuck, man.
Okay.
Them depend people name and I sit down like we careless. We not careless, boy. Yeah. We
Make
not
sure I
careless, boy. Yeah. Fuck out of here. I get up off my bed, me not stuff on it. And I know museum owns. I'm telling you, Sharon. Yo, Sharon, that is it.
yeah, he's at all.
Yo, they need to move around, B. Like, fuck. They need to do shit with themselves. They fucking. Then they talk about, oh, me, I bear money. I money. Me, where the fuck is the money? We're not seeing you do anything that's lavish. We're not seeing you do anything to show that you have fucking money. Like,
But that's the
fuck.
thing, Storm. All if you even have money when you're dead, they can't go with you.
Exactly.
And
But
somebody else have to
they
spend it. So what
expect
is the
us
difference?
to come and show everything that's going on in our household, our man, our pitney, them, everything. Like, why do you want to see so much? Like, get the fuck out. You want to see everybody's life? We're not like Uno. We don't do shit for Instagram. Like, fuck out of here. We have a life. Our life is private. We have our private life that we don't disclose on the internet. And that's
True.
you guys fucking. You see, like how they do
Sarah
it?
behave.
Yeah, that's all they do is fucking show the broke ass shit that they're fucking doing. Broke ass bitches. And a bigger TV, like God. Sharana kill me. It's true. Them need to take the fucking TV off of the fucking Chester drawer. That's what they need to do. And put it on the
Remember?
wall. Like, you're outdated. Enough of you bitches are out fucking dated.
Run you out this room like a million times and a
Shit.
mouth to
And
your
they want to
head.
come talk to good girl like we. Fuck out of here. We up to date. We modern. We do shit the way we want to do it. We have taste. We have style. We have charisma. We have all that shit. None of y'all don't have that. Y'all still lame, fucking broke. What kind of shit, bro? And we have a man. We have a good man beside us. Yeah? Fuck is wrong with these dumb hoes?
Sure, you
Dumb
know
as shit.
behave.
Yeah, the TV for the on wall. Them have it on Chester drawer and side table. Me can't bother. Can't bother with old blood clot furniture. Can't bother. Fucking Aladdin carpet. Can't bother, yeah, man. Sure. And figure on blood clot ground. Me never see that yet in a John shop. My wagwan.
Yeah, tell the people them that.
Right? I live somewhere. I live somewhere. You live somewhere. Nobody never say you never live nowhere dark shit. But you live
Oh,
somewhere. Your blood clot.
more,
Bedhead
more,
aware.
more to watch it. When enough time.
Oh what?
Very interesting. See the name, yeah? Yeah.
Oh, it's universal.
All right. People me I come go my bed.
Yeah, me
Yeah.
see.
We are gonna come off Tanya. We go on WhatsApp and we chat. We call
Tell
before
you
we
guys,
go
Mama.
I
bed.
go on WhatsApp till
Yeah.
9:30. You know. All right, big thing for me.
Drew, big
Take
up
a,
yourself, Drew.
take a
Drew, my
screenshot
friend, big up yourself, Drew.
Tanya, I bet so you check the screenshot and send to them, what's up?
Yeah, and Drew, big up yourself. You're a real man. You're a real man, yeah? And no make nobody get you down. That's all me I say. Don't make nobody get you down.
Yeah,
Big
we're
up
talking.
everybody on the live. We love y'all.
Big up everybody on the
Good night,
live.
everybody.
All
And
right,
then
good night, y'all.
Everybody.